Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna share with you another recipe of mine, where this recipe actually we used to order this one when we dine out, but since the pandemic started and we hardly go out and eat, so I decided to make this recipe because we miss this recipe so much. And guess what, I managed to follow almost exactly the same pace as what the restaurant having. So this recipe actually that I'm going to share tonight with you is one of our dish for tonight, and this recipe called beef gogi or stir-fried kimchi with beef. So let's start cooking. So first of all guys, I have these 500 grams of beef and I cut it very thin, like this size, yeah. And now I'm gonna season this with half thumb size of ginger. I had chopped it very fine. And also I have these 2 cloves of garlic. I chop it, but I need only half of this because I need some later on for the frying. And also I have this soya sauce. I just need 1 teaspoon and half teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of dark sauce and a dash of pepper. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna mix this. We let this rest for 10 minutes to marinate, and after that we start with the frying with the rest of the ingredients, yeah. Okay guys, now my meat is ready to be cooked. First of all, I need some oil, at least 2 tablespoons of oil. And now I have this onion, 1 medium size, and I slice it. And earlier I have 2 cloves of garlic, so this is the extra. Okay, now I'm gonna add in my meat. So now we can add in our kimchi. I have this 1 cup of kimchi, and this kimchi actually guys is I made one. Actually I have this recipe in my channel, so you just search this one and I tell you, you won't regret making this, yeah. So you just mix them, and lastly I need some honey, 1 tablespoon of honey. So actually guys, we don't want to overcook the meat, yeah, because once you overcook the meat, it becomes so chewy. So we're gonna add 1 more teaspoon of dark sauce. And I have this 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, so I just mix this with a little bit of water. And we just mix this for a while until the sauce becomes thicker. So that's it guys, this is already done. So I'm gonna dish this one out, yeah. So this is it guys, this is the final result of my stir-fry kimchi with beef or beef gogi. And look at that guys, yeah. So thank you all for watching my video, and I hope you like and share and also subscribe for more upcoming recipes. Bye guys.